Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook profile link. So let's start the video. Open the Facebook app and log into your account. Go to the menu bar and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Under Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Click on Profile and select your profile. Tap on username, then enter your desired new username. Facebook will automatically check if the username is available. If the username is available, it will be shown as available. Otherwise, you will need to choose a different one. After entering your new username, if needed, click on Done to update your profile link. By following these steps, you can easily change your Facebook profile link to a new personalized username. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.